Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's lesson is about changing mixed fraction to improper fraction. Here we have two diagrams. That is diagram A and diagram B. How many quarters are in each diagram? Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here there are also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To write each as a fraction, these are 4 quarters in one circle. And this is a quarter separately. Therefore, this is a whole and this is a separate quarter. In terms of fraction, this one whole is 1 and this a quarter is a quarter. Therefore, this is a mixed fraction, that is 1 and a quarter. Here, how many quarters are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, these are 5 quarters. To write it as a fraction, it's going to be 5 over 4. We have changed now from mixed fraction to improper fraction. Are these fractions the same? Yes, because all they represent 5 quarters. Only that here it's written as a mixed fraction and here is written as improper fraction. Now, our lesson is about changing mixed fraction to improper fraction. When it comes to changing mixed fraction to improper fraction, there are 3 steps that you need to undertake. Step 1, we are being told multiply the denominator by the whole number. Using this example, that is 1 and a quarter. This is the whole number. This is the fraction. The fraction part, it has the numerator here and our denominator here. Therefore, step 1 says multiply the denominator by the whole number. Our denominator is 4. So 4 multiplied by 1. 4 times 1, it's 4. Then step 2 says add the numerator to the answer. Our answer is 4. So we are supposed to add our answer to the numerator, which is 1. 4 plus 1, it's 5. The step 3 says the denominator remains the same. Meaning now, when it comes to writing our answer, our denominator shall remain the same as 4. So it shall be 5 over 4. And this is our improper fraction. As you can see here in the diagram, our mixed fraction was 1 and a quarter. Our improper fraction was 5 out of 4, which we got it here. Let's now get more examples as we apply the 3 steps. Let's now convert our mixed fraction into the improper fraction. 1 is a whole number and this is the fraction part of it. We are saying to convert a mixed fraction to improper fraction, we follow 3 steps. Step 1 says multiply the denominator by the whole number. And our denominator here is 4. Therefore, 4 multiplied by 1, you get 4 times 1, which is 4. Step 2 says, after getting our answer, we add our answer to the numerator. And our numerator is 3. So 4 plus 3, it's 7. Step 3 says, the denominator remains. So when we're writing our answer, our denominator remains as 4. So the answer is 7 over 4. As you can see, this is improper fraction. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. Let's get another example. Our whole number is 2 and the fraction part is 4 over 5. Therefore, step 1, multiply the denominator by the whole number. So 5 times 2, it's 10. Step 2 says we add our numerator to the answer. Our answer is 10. Therefore, 10 plus our numerator, which is 4, becomes 14. The third step says our denominator remains. So when we're writing our final answer, our denominator remains. So the answer is 14 out of 5. Let's get another example. Our whole number is 3 and the fraction is a half. Therefore, this one is a mixed fraction. To convert mixed fraction to improper fraction, there are 3 steps. Step 1 says you multiply the denominator by the whole number. Therefore, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. After getting your answer, you add your answer to the numerator. Therefore, 6 plus 1 is 7. The third step is that 2 remains. So when we're writing our answer, 2 shall remain. So 7 over 2. The other example, 3, 2 out of 5. These are mixed fraction. Therefore, we follow the 3 steps. That is, we multiply the denominator by the whole number. 5 times 3, which is 15. After getting your answer, you add to the numerator, which is 2. 15 plus 2 is 17. Then our denominator remains. So over our denominator, which is 5. And the answer is 17 out of 5. Let's get one more example. Let's now change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. Step 1 says we multiply the denominator by the whole number. Therefore, these are denominator, these are our whole number, we multiply them, which is 7 times 5 gives us 35. After getting the answer, step 2, we add the numerator, and our numerator is 3. 35 plus 3 is 38. Step 3 says our denominator remains. So our denominator is 7. It remains as still as 7. And the answer is 38 out of 7. As you can see, this is improper fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. I wish you the best, and kindly remember to subscribe to my channel, share, and also leave a comment. Also practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching.